Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've got a quick unboxing here on my chromatic stuff that I bought. They just arrived, so we'll get right in and see what I got. So I got these from 3Ps in a Pod here in Canada. And right on the top you can see, oh, I got a coin purse in Indigo, so I'm really excited to see this colour. Oh, that's a really nice colour. And there is the lining. It's a very dark navy, and you guys know I love navy. Really nice. I also did get the Pebble B set. I won't open that because you guys have probably seen Pebble, and you will see me do a packing video on it at some point, but I really love the Pebble, really pretty. Okay, I did get a B set in the Lilac, so I'm just going to open this up. And this is gorgeous. It's really pretty colour. And there is that champagne type lining. And it does come with the 3 pieces and the 2 straps. There it is. Now I'm filming in the evening, so I think it's pretty much true to colour. I don't know if I can get a better angle. Maybe there. But it's a beautiful colour. Wow. I can't wait to pack this up. I also did decide to get the Be Cool in the Lilac. I only have one Be Cool, and it's the olive one, and I actually quite like it. I like to use it for work, so I thought I'd get one in this colour. There we go, open that up, and there is the strap. So this strap I could even use on the large set piece if I wanted to, I guess. But yeah, that is a beautiful colour. Like I say, it's very hard to see because I'm not filming at the perfect time of day, I guess, but it's a gorgeous colour. It's totally different from the blush. I can see that now, because before I wasn't sure. I thought it maybe looked a lot like the blush, but it's very different. So I also got a B set in the Indigo. I just love the Indigo, and this B set is going to go with so much stuff. Just give me a second here to open this. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. This is going to look really pretty, I think, with my, oh, what is it, First Mate Hobo Bee. I think it'll look pretty good in there. Look how gorgeous it is. In fact, I think this one, the Lilac, is going to look pretty good in my Sakura Swirl Hobo Bee. I mean, you guys know I like the Hobo Bee, and I have a lot of them, so yeah, I think that one will look pretty good in there. But look at the Indigo. I love the Indigo. And I'm going to be so tempted to get a bigger bag in it. I so wish these 2 colours came in the Hobo Bee, because I would have got one of each for sure. But I'm very tempted to get BFF in this. I don't know. But anyway, last of all, I did decide to get the midi. Just because there was no Hobo Bee, so I felt like I needed something in it, in a bag, like more of an everyday bag. So I decided to go for the midi, and it is really pretty. And there is that lining. And this isn't the this isn't like the newer version with the stroller hooks and the change pad. This is just a regular one. Look how nice it looks. Anyway, I'm going to do some packing videos on these with different bags, and so yeah, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching.